video today. Oh my god, this is so loud. Nah, I can play some better while you're ready to see me lose and die. I suck. Yeah. Yeah, I'm ready to lose, guys. No, not playground. Yeah, and I told a noob. Let's do duels. Yeah. I'm gonna play with a random stranger because I'm lonely. I have no friends. Of course I'm ready. I'm always ready. Never mind. So let's go and let me get wrecked. I'm ready to get wrecked, guys. Like, come on. Come on, I'm ready to get wrecked. Jeez. Yeah, I have been playing, but still I have 0 kills. I've been playing playground mode to get better. So, battle with y'all. Early access. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I get it. So, Fortnite. Fortnite. Oh man, it's hot in here. Fortnite. 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 You better dance. Yeah, boy. Really? Okay, I'm ready to get killed, guys. Oh. Let's go and get killed already. Yeah, boy. Hey. And then stop. And slowly watch other people. Yeah, guys, I'm dead. No, fuck you, no. Why, hater? Come on, drop in already. This ain't motherfucking fair. How do people even get down? Better bring this fast. Come on. Come on, hurry up. Gun, I need a gun. How would this do? I need an open gun. This was the baddest place to land. Up, guys. This lag won't stop me. Oh yeah, I found my teammate, boy. I found my teammates. Hey yo, guy. I'm on your team, boy. I'm on your team. Gun. Yeah, I'll just take this because we have all the gun. I need gun, guys. I need gun. How do you even talk? Let's go. It's my only gun, but let's go, boy. Let's go. I got them building. You got them cool weapons. Yo! How do you even type in this game? Type. How do you type? Yeah. Oh, I hate your chest. Those two the wars. Oh no! No! Oh really? Oh no! I need to help my friend revive. No! 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 I, uh, you see how life's sad? You see, guys, this is how I suck at Fortnite. Man, why does this happen to me? Every single time I play, I always die. I always get the best weapon, but then, see? Well, let's play again. And this time, I'm gonna do your face off. Dun, dun. Yeah, I have no stuff. I will have this dance. Oh. So let's go to Fortnite. Fortnite. You know what? Magic. Oh, never mind then.
Hello?
Hello?
Forget if I did duo or squad.
Huh? Do. Do.
Are you bugged?
Huh? Where do you... Where should we get off? I'm gonna jump. I'm near the water. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave and end this video here. Yeah, I suck at Fortnite. So bye, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and give a thumb up and comment down below to help me at Fortnite. I'm gonna do more Fortnite videos to get better at it, so I don't suck. So yeah, bye.